15 beautiful succulent plants to brighten your home. Succulent plants are a great way to add some greenery to your home decor. They are stunningly beautiful and also require very little maintenance. Echeveria. Echeveria is a popular type of succulent plant that comes in a variety of colors, including green, pink, and purple. They are known for their rosette-shaped leaves and can grow up to 6 inches in diameter. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a well-known succulent plant that has been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. It is known for its soothing gel, which can help with minor burns and skin irritations. Crassula ovata. Crassula ovata, also known as jade plant, is a lovely succulent plant that requires little care. They have shiny, oval-shaped leaves that can range from green to red. Horthia. Horthia is a small, slow-growing succulent plant that is perfect for small spaces. They have thick, fleshy leaves that can range from green to dark brown. Kalanchoe. Kalanchoe is a beautiful flowering succulent plant that can add a pop of color to your home decor. Sedum. Sedum is a versatile succulent plant that comes in many different shapes and sizes. They are known for their fleshy leaves, which can range from green to red. Agave. Agave is a large succulent plant that can grow up to 6 feet tall. They have long, spiky leaves that can range from green to blue. String of pearls. String of pearls is a unique succulent plant that can add some texture to your home decor. They have long, thin stems that hang down and are covered in small, round leaves that resemble pearls. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting out, succulent plants are a great way to add some nature to your living space. So go ahead, pick out your favorite succulent plants, and start adding some greenery to your home decor.